Welcome guys, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy M13 and I want to show you Camera Pro Mode, how it looks and how it works in this phone. So to open the Camera Pro Mode, we have to open the More tab, select Pro Mode, and right now we got these few options that we can adjust. And the first one is ISO, and we can set this value between 100 or 800. Also, we can make it automatically by tapping on this button. Another one is exposure compensation. So we can change brightness level. The last one is the white balance. We can go between 10,000 Kelvin and 2,300 Kelvin. Also, we can enable it as automatic feature. Right here we can change this camera layout, its aspect ratio, and also we can enable camera timer. And as you can see, that's how Camera Pro Mode looks in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.